Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got a case review for you for the iPhone 15 Pro Max, which is the Nomad Rugged Case in the Ultra Orange. This case is a rugged style case. We take you around the packaging. So you've got the rugged case for the new 6.7 inch Pro for 2023. It's got fortified bumpers offering 15 feet of drop protection. Tactile anodized aluminium buttons, grooved sides allow for secure grip, MagSafe and wireless charging compatible. Proud to announce that they are carbon neutral and have been since 2020. That's quite nice, that's good. Right, so shall we have a look inside? So take that out immediately, you can see that. Get it out. It's a bit of a struggle to get out, which is good. It's not moving around in the box. Immediately you get hit with that really bright orange colour. It's a lovely vibrant colour and it matches the Nomad Sport Loop that they sell as well, both in ultra orange. So yeah, they go very nicely together. Moving around the case, you've got a button for the action button, which some cases are coming with a hole instead. You've got volume up and down buttons, both all in aluminium. You've got a nice textured orange power button. Coming around the sides here, you've got reinforced bumpers here, microfiber lining, obviously MagSafe compatible in 2023. Everything should be MagSafe compatible. A little bit of Nomad branding down the bottom there, but no real big branding on the case at all, apart from a very small Nomad depiction there. At the bottom you've got large cutouts for speakers and the USB-C port, and a couple of lanyard slots as well, so you could loop it around both if you want to dangle it from your neck that way, or you could simply put a lanyard on either side, whichever way you like. Cutouts are of equal size, which I much prefer. I hate it when cases make the cutouts smaller on one side for no reason. It just lacks symmetry. I know Apple have made a strange decision for years and years now to have different number of cutouts on each side, but for me, honestly, I think they should be symmetrical, and the case being symmetrical for me is much better. Anyway, so let's pop this in. So go right side first, then pop the left side in and down, and immediately it's a nice secure fit. It feels very sturdy in the hand. Looking around the front, you've got very little you've got a small raised lip here. I've got a tempered glass screen protector. You've got a small lip there, not huge or anything, but the cameras are protected. You've also got these feet on the corners here, which basically mean when you put the phone down, it does not rock. It stays solid, which is great, because most cases they don't have these feet at the bottom and it causes the case to wobble. Cameras are well protected. So cutouts are nice and amply sized for the USB-C port. I do find though at the bottom there's very little lip here for the screen. It looks like it's done intentionally, which probably is so that you can swipe up and down without catching your finger, but I guess from a durability perspective a face down drop like this is probably not great. But yeah, overall very nice fitting case, very snug, quite chunky though in the hand. It definitely makes the phone feel big. The Pro Max is already a big phone, but this definitely makes the phone feel extremely large, which is fine because it's a rugged case, it's not meant to be small. But yeah, I would if you're looking for something slim, this is not it. You've got scalloped edges as well, which do help improve the grip, giving your fingers something to stick onto and some purchase. That's the Nomad Rugged Case in Ultra Orange. If you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe and like and comment, and I'll see you in the next one.